As a culinary team, we aim to promote migrants and refugees' inclusion in a creative way, pairing of food and theater as a tool. With the objective of co-creating training models that employ theatrical language, we would like to make visible, reflect on, understand, and deal with immigration from a disruptive approach that is familiar to us and known by all cultures, food and theater. To this end, we organized local workshops in each partner's country, Belgium, Spain and Italy, with the participation of migrants and refugees. All the local workshops, each one as an exhilarating gastronomic voyage that took us to many parts of the world, served us to immerse ourselves in the enthralling tales of migrants and their thrilling relationship with food. Migration journey involves more than just moving to a new place. It also involves bringing a tapestry of memories, tastes, and stories with you. In the midst of this transformational process, food shows itself to be a potent force, fusing together cultural heritage, personal identity, and a deep sense of belonging. Each person had a special tale with them. And for migrants, food developed into a priceless link that bound them to their roots, their country of origin, and their most treasured memories. These courageous people maintained their traditions while developing new ones through the flavors, smells, and culinary skills that were passed down from generation to generation.